Hello, my name is Mitch Duggan, mechanical engineer here at Northern Automation Solutions. In this video, we're going to look at one of Transforming Tooling's safety features. If you've seen our previous Transforming Tooling videos, you're already aware of many of the great benefits this technology has to offer. But did you know that Transforming Tooling has built-in learning features to prevent crashes and extended downtimes? Here are some examples of the ways this innovative technology is doing just that. Our first example shows the system hitting an obstruction as it moves between pre-programmed jobs. The clutches will slip to protect motors, planetary gear sets, and linkages. An error message will alert the operator that the obstruction must be removed for the arms to continue moving to their position. Another example are manual tooling arm misadjustments. In current installations, an arm has been displaced from the desired position, which causes a crash due to interference in the transfer process. With the Transforming Tooling system, the HMI will alert the operator before the arm or joint is more than half a degree out of position. A simple HMI command will move the arm back into the desired position for trouble-free operations. In the event of a crash, any of the transforming joints that move will trigger the automation emergency stop. At the same time, the clutches will slip as the automation comes to a stop, protecting the arms and joints. The HMI system will notify the operator of the crash. Once the crash is cleared, the operator can then command the HMI to reposition the arms to the job location. In the event of a major crash where a tool arm or joint is damaged, you can easily replace the arm and the system will automatically assume the replaced arm's configuration and continue operating. Transforming Tooling is an advanced Industry 4.0 technology which allows you to monitor vacuum cup levels as well as arm and joint positions, preventing costly crashes and downtime. For more information on Transforming Tooling, or to get started on building your own system, contact us at 1-800-272-4511 or at nasinsidesales@imi-precision.com. Thanks for watching.